I know sometimes you try to say that I don't love you, but you know I love you every day till my death when I'm gone. There's no feeling like the love that you get from your mom. Didn't mean to disrespect you, never meant any harm. For you, I'ma blow up like I'm setting a bomb. I'm a suicide bomber and I'm friends with Saddam. Do my best to make sure that you rested and calm. And I would never love another girl. My mom is the only one that I got in this world. I would never love another girl. My mom is the only one that I got in this world. Just know that I love you when you feeling like I hate you. No, there's no woman that could ever replace you. Sometimes I feel alone, I don't wanna be on my own. But you already 53, so I gotta be on my grown. 18, contemplating on ways to make cream. It's just reality, this ain't a fake dream. I wanna make it so there's no more getting stressed. I never got a lot, but you always did your best. I swear to God, I'ma make it for you and do what a few were only able to do. And day after day, this is all I'm gonna say. I love you till I die. Happy Mother's Day, and if you walk through the dark, then you'll see a sunny day. But I promise only grow, you know they don't run away. Get stressed cause crazy's how you go in the day. Get mad cause I hit piff, but I ain't holding the yay. Never know I'm gonna blow, I could be chosen today. But you think all I do with my life is just smoke it away. Now I got no choice, I'ma show you today. And make sure all the pain and stress is going away. So I gotta tell you, cause mom, you're my whole heart. So if you ever was gone, I'd have no heart. I don't know where I'm going, but I know art. The way I'm composing got me feeling like Mozart. Just know I love you now and every other day. So all I have to say is Happy Mother's Day.